I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we got 80 seconds to add a transition between clips in Premiere Pro. So let's open up Premiere. Let's grab a couple videos from a folder, drag and drop them in the timeline, and it will automatically put them in sequence. Now we want to add a transition. So I am in the workspace effects, and let's just click this effects tab here, and we're gonna go ahead and add a cross zoom. With both of them selected, we can just drag and drop it right in the middle of them. It will say what it wants to say, but if you zoom in here, you'll see your animation, and you can change the duration, etc., and create a transition. Aha! I am Eric Polley at ericpolley.com. I've been Eric Polley. You've been you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.